Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create avatar on your account on Reddit easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now here you will find create avatar, click on it, and here as you see you can choose any avatar you want, and you can customize any avatar you want, and that's it. That's how to create your avatar on your account on Reddit easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.